Is this pack of screen protectors going to be worth it for the 16E? Let's find out. So everything included, you have the 2 screen protectors right here on the left, which are going to be pre-installed in those installation kits. You also do get 2 lens protector pieces that do come with it too, which is nice. You got the cleaning kits with the microfiber cloths, the wet wipes, all that good stuff. And then you also do get 2 dust removal stickers. So first you're going to want to remove the protective film on the bottom right here. You can see it is on there. Just remove that first. Now you're going to want to take the piece that says top and you're going to line that up with the camera part of the 16E right here. Set it right on top nice and gently. Make sure it does have that snug fit. You can do a little press around on the sides and whatnot if you want to make sure that it does get on there nicely. Now you're going to want to slide your finger on the bottom here in the middle. Slide your finger across it, so it does stay secure. And once it's on there, you're just going to lift up and it's going to take that protective film off for you. And there you go. You've got your screen protector nicely installed right there. Great alignment too on this one. Obviously there are some air bubbles, so we're going to get those out. And the way I like to do it is to get the microfiber cloth from the cleaning kit and then just kind of rub them out yourself. Full tempered glass, so going to keep your phone nice and protected, and they also do great with fingerprints. So unlike a regular phone screen, once you start touching your phone a lot, it's not going to show them as much. Lens protector pieces on there too. Now your camera lens is fully protected. So if you're looking for some screen protectors for your 16E, I would definitely recommend these.